Everyone, I'm glad that I could have this opportunity to report our ads project. Um, so our project is doing data analyzing. We are analyzing the Google Store apps and we want to make predictions for rating. Our project focuses on the analysis on two test stages. So for the one, it's analyzing apps before they are published publicly on Google App Store. And the second stage is that we want to study and make predictions of the deployment of apps. So in the second stage, we could have more data. Uh, so for all the features, we have the features like reviews, pay types. They are our features for our prediction, and the output that we are interested in is installation, rating, and the keywords in reviews. So to achieve these goals, we did a data cleaning, exploratory data analysis, model construction, etc. And we would go into details later. So in the first stage, we first clean the data and then we have 5 of those features to do prediction. We did this because in this stage, we can only know those features, such as the category, size, price, and type. So we only have limited informations. Um, we use those features for our prediction and we train our models, and you can see the results of the models on the right. The accuracy of the model is approximate to 0.6 out of 1 using the coefficient of R-square prediction for measurement. You can see that the accuracy is not so ideal because we only have 5 features. We have very limited information. So in this stage, we recommend that we should maybe focus more on the feature analysis. And beside that, we also calculate the variable importance for those 5 features. And the higher the score of the features, it means that that feature is more important. And you can see that category has the highest score, so category is the most important feature in this stage. And so also we still recommend that we focus more on exploring data analysis. Okay, so for the second stage, we have the full feature model for the after deployment analysis. We want to simulate the next stage of deploying apps. So if the apps is published publicly, we can use all those features for analysis like the installations, etc. And we use the one-hot encoding because there are quite a lot categorical data we want to train model, so we need to encode it before that. And then we construct a k-nearest neighbor model and a random forest model for rate prediction. And you can see clearly that from the figures on the right, we got really high scores. The highest score we got is 0.93 out of 1 using the coefficient of determination R square of the prediction for measurement. The performance is much better than the first stage. And besides that, we also do the word cloud analysis. We want to do you can see the bigger the word, it means it has a higher frequency, and this is good because we can have some intuitions. For example, if we can see that disturb is most frequent in this figure, and when we go back to the reviews, we found that people are complaining about the disturbance of the advertisement. This can help us to improve our apps by removing too much advertisements. So, okay, so to draw the conclusion, we did our data exploratory analysis and model construction for first stage data, and we used all features for the second stage. So we have a high accuracy model, and finally we generate a word cloud which can give more intuitions for developers and marketers for their further steps. Thank you.